Okay, let us move on to 27th question. Let me start the timer. Right. A simple pendulum has a mass spring system oscillates with the same time period. The mass of the pendulum bob and the mass of the spring will be are identical. Okay. So for a time period of a pendulum, it's given by t is equal to 2 pi root of L by G. And for a time period of a, let me write pendulum here, and this one is spring system is given as 2 pi into square root of M by K. He is asking you to divide one by the other, and when the masses have been changed, what is the time period when the masses have been changed? How are the masses changing? The mass has been halved. So first time when the masses were identical, you had Tp by Ts is equal to some 1 over here, right? No, it says 2 pi root of L by G, root of L by G divided by root of M by K. Okay, which should be equal to square root of L by G, L by Gm into K. This is what you had. Let me write this as 1. Then, oh, I forgot to put this on. Yeah, okay. Then it's already more than a minute. Right, now next one. When I divide this mass, what happens is this becomes M by 2 over here, right? When it becomes M by 2, in that case what happens? Your Tp by Ts whole, let me write this as 2, should now be equal to square root of Lk divided by G into M by 2. I am not changing anything else except the mass has been halved. So this should be equal to 2Lk divided by mg square root. So what is the difference between these two? You see, root 2 is adding over here. So if I compare between these two, the difference in the quantity is root 2. So thus the answer should be root 2 over here. Okay, let us move on to 28th question.